Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It is a good morning. It's one of those good mornings once again. Turn this down just a smidge so I can hear my own thoughts. Good morning, gentlemen and ladies and gentlemen, SBSers, Stoic Traders, DTFXers, VWAP guys, supporting resistance guys, Bollinger Bands guys, crypto guys, all the guys, all the trading strategies. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. How are we feeling this morning? Pop out the chat here. And let's see what we can get into. Not gonna lie, guys, I am a little tired this morning. Not too sure why. Energy is a little bit low. Then I looked at my coffee. I don't have a creamer for my coffee, so the coffee is black this morning. But we're here. We're here another lovely day. Let's see if we can find some trades today. So as you guys can see, I have already locked out my account. It'll unlock in another 2 minutes or so. And let's see what we can do here. So, Asian session was really good for me. All of this. Wow, look at all of this nonsense. I don't know why. Whenever I decide to... Alright, I'm not about to do that. What I'm going to do is... I'm going to remove all drawings. And start from scratch. Alright, so I still want to somewhat hear that music. I like a black with a couple of ice cubes, not to make it cold enough that I could drink it fast. Yep. I'm more of a if it's an iced coffee, I will admit I need a little bit of cream with my iced coffee. If it's I need something there. If it's a hot coffee, I'm usually going black with a little bit of brown sugar. A little bit of brown sugar with the hot coffee. If it's a cappuccino, I don't need anything with it. But iced coffee, yeah, I need a little bit of cream with that. Just a little bit. See, that's the thing. I thought I would. I really thought I would, because I do like the taste of good coffee. Like if it's hot, I don't really need anything with it. Like if it's really good coffee, I could drink it hot, no cream, no sugar. If it's the stuff at home, all right, I'm gonna put a little bit of sugar in it. My iced coffee, I haven't broken through the iced coffee barrier yet. Need just a little bit of cream and sugar with the iced coffee. You know what I mean? All right, so our opening range is about to be established here. Opening range is about to be established. Cool. All right, so we have taken all-time highs here, and I wish I could have left the little schematic up. That shows me where exactly my last all-time high was. In fact, let me just put it back. Yeah, let me just put it back real quick, just so I know where it's at. What the hell? What the helly? Why is this saying this? Oh, we're not at all-time highs. Oh, whoops. All that talk last night. Anyway, I could have sworn I went back far enough. Anywho, well, never mind then. I'm gonna focus on my opening range here. Focus on my opening range here. So I think we're in for somewhat of a tricky day, personally. This might be one of those sit on hands and wait type of days. We have no news. We have clear skies. So we are free to look at the market and see what we can do here. All right, so let me look at my hourly. Make this bigger. My hourly, I mean, obviously the hourly is bullish. Little test of the 20 right here. My 200 is all the way down yonder. We've been trending up for a minute, guys. When are we going to see some type of reversal? 15-minute is bullish. Look at my 5-minute. 5-minute looks like it wants a little bit of confirmation. Yeah, 5-minute looks like it wants a little bit of confirmation. I'm pretty sure my 1-minute is bearish. So, okay. So, we have a lot of stuff going on here. And I'm not too sure what to do. All of my higher time frame is saying bullish, but my 1-minute is saying bearish. So, we're gonna give this a minute. Let's see what the market wants to say. In the immediate interim, you can see like a little bearish SBS setting up here. But I don't really want to mark it up yet. Just so I can see what my 5 wants to do. If my 5 gives me that confirmation that, hey, we want to be short today, then I'll go ahead and play ball. But until then, I need to see a little bit more. Interesting price action. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Well, the ICT guys aren't doing too bad this morning. I can see that if you wanted to take this bearish fair value gap right here. Yeah, that would have been a nice little move right there. Get that consummate encroachment. The consummate encroachment. And it lined up with the with these moving averages right here. So that was a pretty good short for those guys. Your first presented fair value gaps. Got to tap at around 940, a little on the early side. And you could have probably taken this one as well. So not bad, guys. Not bad. Nothing for me yet, though. Nothing for me yet. 1, 2, 3. I would need like sweeps like above here before we think about shorting. It's just, shorting all-time highs. It's like, ugh. But this is very... The 1-minute moving average is looking very definitive here. I might be looking for shorts here. Big might. Big if. Big maybe. I don't want to say I hate playing shorts, but I said this before in another stream that, I'm just more comfortable taking longs. Because, obviously, right? Like, it's NASDAQ. We're always, if you go on a higher enough time frame, you should be permanently bullish, right? So like but yeah, nothing here for me, nothing here. I'm hoping it's not a long one, guys, but it might be a long one. Might be a long one. It's funny, what we could see is one of those weirdo days where we're just not retracing. And we're just gonna keep on going down. It's a possibility. Chicken noodle, Campbell's. The possibilities. Anybody's old enough to remember the old Campbell's soup commercials? No, just me. All right, cool. Back to the back to the market. Back to the market. Back to the market. Yeah, guys, just sitting here, waiting, watching. Not too much to comment on. Let's take a little peek at gold while NQ does absolutely nothing here. Ooh. Hmm. Okay, the gold. Okay, the gold. I kind of like that, the gold. Not a trader of the gold. The gold looks like it wants to cooperate a little bit better today. And we're getting that whole divergence thing, I guess, which would suggest that maybe indices and indexes went a little bit lower. Because I can kind of, from this structure right here, gold looks kind of on the bullish side for the short term at least. Sakut, good morning. Good morning, Sakut. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope you're having a fine trading day. Fine trading day. It's a nice bullish engulfing right there too. Could have set stops right there. A little push up right there. Very nice, very nice. Gold looks pretty good. Gold looks kind of healthy. Gold looks healthy. Gold looks healthy. Gold looks healthy. I don't trade gold though. Let's look at ES. ES is pushing up here after taking these lows. Let's look on the 5 minute. Let's look on the 5 minute here. If I don't know, it's still gonna be kind of hard because this the SMA here looks like it just wants to cross and start pushing us lower. We might get a bullish engulfing here on ES as well. Still nothing here though. Cup guy, good to see you. Good to see you. It is going. It is definitely going. Kind of slow. Kind of slow right now. Kind of slow on this Monday morning. I'm not looking to y'all should know me by now. I'm kind of a jab and weave with the market type of guy. So I'm looking for the market to kind of like tip its hat and tell me like, hey, we're doing this, we're doing that. So I'm not really making any hard predictions right here. I'm just kind of like going with the flow. Getting my 20, 30 points and getting the hell out of Dodge. It's kind of my whole thing. So we haven't closed below this orb yet. And the orb high is all the way up here. And nothing for me to do. If anything, I would kind of suggest being bearish today. Even though I hate being bearish. Lord knows I hate being bearish. But hey, what can you do? Do you spend time on weekends backtesting? Yes. Yes, Cup Guy. Yes, I do. I do backtest on weekends. Spend about 2 hours or so backtesting the entire week. It gets to a point where it's like I gotta like backtest like other pairs sometimes, because it's like if you just backtest Nasdaq, well, I've been trading Nasdaq for the past like 4 months, and it's like, and then you go and backtest like, wait a minute, hold up, I took this trade. Wait a minute, I was actually in this trade. I lost this trade. And then then you go to the next day like, wait a minute, I was in this trade. I saw it real time in real action, and I lost. Nice. Yes, it does, especially when you want to build confidence in your move, in your setups. Did we get a closure below? Guys, I'm gonna start marking up. SBSs right here. One, two. Wow, hold up. Jesus. Let's make it red, and let's get rid of tax wrap. 1, 2. Don't like this area for a short though. That's the thing. 3. All right, so if we can get sweeps of these levels of this 2 here, we can probably see what we want to do. Now then, do I make my fib here? Nah. I'm thinking fib would have to be the entire range here. It's tricky, guys. It's a little on the tricky side. Not gonna lie. It's a little tricky. Yeah, it's maybe one of those days where I may see trades slip through my fingers. Because this could also be like your little 1, 2 sequence, come back 3, 4, 5, push back up. But then your fib would be like all the way down here. You just got those sweeps. Now you're finally pushing down. I mean, yeah, that's a thing. Yeah, that is a thing. 4 could be here. What time is it? 9:57. Hey Nick, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Just here, seeing what we want to do. 4, 5. Yeah, if this one goes, I'll be fine with it. Yeah, I'll be fine if this one goes. And if it wants to start pushing up higher, go back to my original idea. Do I take something early here? Not too sure. It would kind of suggest that we want to go lower, right? Smooth origin has kind of been tapped already. Might give this a shot, might not. Yeah, cause what Price likes to do is sometimes it likes to just push on up with the fury of the Amazons. And I'd rather not be a part of that. But this doesn't look too bad. Let me make sure I got that sweep here. Yeah, that is a lower low. It's just looking a little strong here. Yeah, it looks a little strong here. So we're getting that cross. We are indeed getting that cross here. As we push up. Might take this for a couple points. All right, guys. I am going to try this short.
Order filled.
And let's see if we want to come down a little bit lower here. $100 risk. See if this is the spot where we want to start pushing back down. And if it starts looking ugly, I'll just boogie out of this one. And I'm already not liking this. Yeah, we're really strong right here. All right, I'm gonna
Order
take
filled.
that off, and just like that, I'm down for the day. Just like that, we're already down. Kind of faked me out here, guys. Yeah, I wasn't in love with that one. Wasn't in love with that one, so we're gonna wait a second. Gonna wait a second. Gonna wait a second. Huh, that kind of sucks. What are you pushing back up for? Is there something I don't know? My moving averages look pretty good. And this is like your SBS. But I don't want to just keep on giving this like hopping in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. But I am willing to give this one more shot. All right. Let me give it one more shot. Wait. Okay. What is Price trying to tell me here today? All right.
Order filled.
One last shot here. And if it doesn't work, sit on my hands for a second. Whoa, that's 150? Oh gosh. All right. Not feeling too confident once again. I may be getting faked out here, guys. Yeah, it just looks too strong. Looks a little on the strong side. Maybe a case where I'm too early here. Guys, I might be hopping out of this one too. Price isn't really doing what I wanted to do right here. Kind of like it when shorts kind of speed up, grab the wall a little bit. And once again, it teleports down but doesn't close below there. Don't do this again to me. Yeah, I'm getting into these teleporty trades a lot. Let me guess. I'm gonna go down to the 1 second. And there's gonna be a wick on the 1 second. And dude, why am I always in these trades? How much was so that just flashed 120 bucks in my face. I don't like that reaction. Not a big fan. I need some closures below here, guys. I need some closures below. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I do not know. It doesn't look like it wants to respect this area. Yeah, guys, I'm hopping out of that, and you've got to be shitting me. Yeah, I'm gonna hop out of that one. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. So I'm gonna wait a second. All right, down 100 bucks. Not terrible, but you know, obviously not where we want to be. What is going on with price? Yeah, we didn't get like I should have closed it when I realized that we weren't getting closures below the 20 here. I don't know what took me so long to do that. Could have saved myself a small loss there. That was that was pretty obvious. So I'm not too sure why I hesitated there. This 5 minute looks pretty good for a short though, but we're not getting it at the moment. So I'm gonna wait till bears come back in, I guess. Unfortunate. Yeah, guys, we're gonna practice a little bit of patience right here. Let the market do whatever it needs to do. Get out of its jitters, I suppose. And pick a damn direction. Thinking I may have been a bit too early, and maybe my original idea was correct. Don't know where my move origin is though. And of course, gotta remember that the higher time frame is kind of higher time frame is kind of bullish, so there's always that. But I guess I wanted to see what I wanted to see right there. Just wanted to see bears kind of take this down a little bit lower when in actuality it just didn't have to. So that was my mistake. That was my mistake. All right, testing the 20 here. Testing of the 20. No clear direction yet. Yeah, no clear direction. This look like it could be like that little reversal on the 1 minute here. So I don't know, I'm getting conflicting information here. Or I could be completely off sides. Or it could be completely off sides here. Swing point. 1, 2, 3, 4. Golden fib. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Let's see what we got here. All right, NASDAQ, are you going to just push right back up from here, or are you going to give me the shorts that I'm looking for? Gold is kind of collapsing. Yeah, this one's tricky. Did we get that bullish engulfing? Yes, we did, but with this 5 minute crossing here. Little test of the 20 here. Don't want to be wrong, but I do want to see if that test of the 20 is correct. So I'm gonna give this a little bit, be patient right here. Even though I do kind of like this. We're in the middle of the range though. Tough day. Tough day, tough day, tough day, tough day. Maybe if we can get another sweep up here. Hmm. $20 plus 200 expanded bullish setup. Perhaps. Perhaps. I don't know. This is like I said, this is kind of a tricky day for me. Kind of a tricky day. Kind of a tricky day. Where'd my music go? Why the pause? All right, guys.
Order filled.
I'll give that one more shot there. Just hoping that I'm not too. I feel like I'm a little late, but kind of like for this to skinamarink down here. Not the best entry. Really want to add to this. Then it might not give it to me. If we can start to puke from here, that would be great. If not, oh well. If we can get a 5-minute closure, I might think about adding. Shorts are usually fast and furious though, so I'm not too sure what's happening. Doesn't look like we're about to get that bearish engulfing. All right, kind of like that. Tighten up stops just a little bit. If we make a new low here, how much is that? It's not too bad. That wouldn't be too bad. All right, I kind of like the closures here. Don't want to add to this position, though. I think 4 micros is good enough. So if we could just slide on down here without NASDAQ being a pain in the butt, that'd be great. Would have been nice to be up here so I can partial, but hey. It is what it is at the current moment. Would love if this remains heavy here. Trim down my risk to $40. 50 bucks. Yeah, would love if this remains heavy. Kind of don't want to see it retrace from here. Just want to see it cascade on down. But maybe we just don't want to make new lows. It's also a possibility. Nasdaq is probably going to try and psych me out in a second, though. 1, 2, 3. That's what I don't want to see. Yeah, that's what I don't want to see. I want to see this just keep on sliding to the downside. What's the gold doing? The gold is... Why am I looking at gold? Who cares? Who cares about gold in a time like this? Somebody turn the machine on, please. I need new lows here. Guys, I'm about to think about taking profit here. Or it's not going to let me. There's also that. Kind of don't want to be caught in an ugly day. And it's looking like this might be one of those ugly days. All right, NASDAQ. Would love it if it keeps on going down, but it's not looking fantastic. No, it is not. All these people buying right here. Yeah, I'm trying to keep my eyes off of the 1 minute here. Because honestly, it's starting to get on my nerves. Low is really being defended here, isn't it? Hmm. 20 starting to flatten here. Yay. Oh, good grief. Well, I guess that wasn't it either. Might not survive here. Yeah, we just don't want to go lower. Interesting. Very interesting.
Order filled.
Wow. All right, guys. Okay. What's going on? Yeah, not sure what to say here. Not sure what to say. Would love it if it still comes down, but it's got to show me at this point. Like, another bullish engulfing. Like, this is tough. Kind of don't want to be in a tough market. 1, 2, 3, 4. The thing of it is, this could flip right back up because of this bullish engulfing. Kind of messy here, guys. Kind of messy. I can't believe that we didn't want to go lower from there. But then again, my entry wasn't the best. If I was up here, then I would have been able to take profit when it hits here. But yeah. And I'm simply not too sure what to do right here. Tough day, tough day, tough day, tough day, tough crowd. Got the closure below, got the cross on the 5, still couldn't break through. Hey. This should flip up from here. Or not. Who knows? I might give this short one last shot, and if it doesn't work, then I'll be out for the day. All right, we're not seeing any enthusiasm to go higher from here. It's a weird day. All right.
Order filled.
Didn't get the best fill there. Still want this to cascade lower.
Order filled.
Add into that. Stops about right here. Looking kind of heavy here. Just kind of heavy. Just might not be my day, boys and girls. Would love it if this starts to rinse and not reject. Now it's Andre team. Looking to see if we get any rejections right here, honestly. And there it is. Ah, come on. Don't reject from right here. Just keep going lower. I know you want to. I don't know, guys. I think it just wants to range today. Not too sure. Trying to hold on and hang in there, but I'm getting tired of this price action. And it's letting me out so far. But it's not, yeah, it's just bouncing right back up, and it's highly annoying. Yeah, I kind of don't want to deal with this. I really don't. Well, for one, I don't have too much confidence that it even wants to break. That's the problem. All right.
Order filled.
Yeah, I can't deal with that. I can't deal with that, guys. So I'm gonna take some profit right there. That's ridiculous. That is absolutely ridiculous. Yeah, guys, doesn't look like it wants to continue here. Shame. Shame, 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 shame. Thinking about it again. Not too smart though. Tested a 20 once again. Yeah, I wanted to come back up. Yeah, I don't know. Rangy day, rangy day, rangy day, rangy day. I mean, yeah, shorting right here is just not really smart. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna wait right there. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna let price calm down and figure out what. Tell me what it wants to do. So I'm gonna place myself on a brief mute. Be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back, and the market's doing absolutely nothing. Might come back for the PM session. This is kind of painful. Not gonna lie. This is a little painful. It's a little painful. A little painful. All right, we're going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. No clear direction, no aim. Hmm. Nope, still nothing yet. Maybe we could play this bullet bearish engulfing here. Maybe. Nope, doesn't even want to do that. Yep, this is garbage today, guys. This is garbage. Yeah, there's no real edge for me. Wanted to see a break, couldn't get it, didn't take profit. All the stuff. Now we're dealing with broken teeth price action here. And watch, as soon as I try to like test it on the 20, it'll probably like decide to disrespect it. Yeah, this is tough. This is tough. Yeah, somebody poke the bear. Somebody wake the market up. Holy range back, man. The range is ranging forever. It is a rangy. I actually haven't seen the market this confused in a minute. Let's see what the rest of the universe is doing, I suppose. Yeah, nothing. There's not really too much to do here. Not really too much to do. All right, is this the dump here, guys? Is this the dump? No. I'm kind of thinking that we want to like take all of this before we go down. I just don't have any proof for it. And the market is not awake. Market is not awake. You'll have to break above here with some type of strength, though. We're wiggling once again. Nobody wants to do anything right here. Nobody wants to do anything. It's kind of funny. All right, touch that trend line one more time. Kind of sort of breaking above it. Might take this long here, guys. And it's going. It's gonna go without me. Yeah, thinking about taking this long here. Oh, wicks. All right. Let's see if we want to punch back up to these levels up here. Stops are really tight on this one. It's a very risky trade here. I want to tighten up stops just a little bit more, actually. Or let's see if we want to just stay in the range. Yeah, I would like to see this like jump up here now. Just like that. I know bottom wick on the 5. Or is NASDAQ going to make a fool of me? It's very possible. We'll love to get some action from the upside at this point. That would be great. Be absolutely lovely. Kind of playing around in a dangerous market right now. I would like it if we start to sweep some of this. Don't stop. Would love it if you keep going there, NASDAQ. NASDAQ for real. Don't play, NASDAQ. Don't play. Don't play around. Jump on up there. Explode. Kind of hoping that we kind of blow past all of this. But it's not a guarantee. What I don't want to do is take a loss here, though. Really? That's it? That can't be it. Guys, okay. Well, play stupid prizes, play stupid games, get stupid prizes, I guess. Well, that's it, guys. That is all she wrote. Okay, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up here, man. I don't know. This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. I might just Don't want to take liquidity up to the upside. We get a break of the trend line. Still doesn't want to continue back up. I don't know. I don't know. Still took a loss there. That's just nuts. I mean, I could try it again, but I have no confidence in anything right now. I have no confidence in literally anything. Yeah, that's just unfortunate. And what's sad is like I had like the right size to like constantly like get me out of like to get me out of trouble, but it's like price doesn't really want to do anything. I thought this would have been it right here, and it was for like a hot second until it wasn't. All right, we got that punch up. Let's see if it wants to go down from here. I mean, I don't know. That's just annoying though. Yeah, that is supremely annoying, guys. I mean, yeah, that's just weird. I was at least expecting it to like up here. That's odd. How much did I lose on that one? Too much. Way too much. All right, do we play the shorts here now after finally getting this? Or do we just stay in the range? Or do we just stay in the range? All right. It's not exactly the best place to short though. give it a shot. Let's see if this finally wants to break. If this can't break, then well, we're just done. Took some liquidity. Let's see if we want to punch on down lower. Not the best sign there. I'm getting chopped, guys. Do we have the strength to break the low?
Order filled.
Do we have the strength to break the low? Do we have the strength to break the low? Or is it going to get absolutely absorbed? Wow. Might get absorbed. I think we might get absorbed. What else is new? Yep. Guys. I don't know. I still think this could break, but it seems like I'm an emotional wreck right now. That's the sad thing. It's like gotta do it like now. And I'm hoping for something that's like very unplausible. Yeah, I'm looking for something that's very unplausible here. See if we can finally get this break or not. I got played, man. I got played once again. Win stupid prize of playing a stupid fucked up game, man. Well, what else can you do? 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 I'm locked out, guys. Alright, guys. Well, I'm done. I'm getting away from this fucked up bullshit. I'll see you guys in the next one.